I think this is an appropriate song to introduce the diva. Ngaphakathi community sasazo kuzibona FM 98.2. Sizothetha Afro Pride Queer Night. Apha wirelessini yakho kunqaphambili isikolo sakho kuzibona FM 98.2 ngegama Liters Radio Guy. Namhlanje community sasazo size naye Luciano ozoncokola nathi malunga ne After Pride Queer Night apha community sasazo. Luciano, how are you?
Ndiyaphila bethuna ninjani nina?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Yeah,
it's nice to be back home.
Actually, as ndithetha nomuntu ke who's not like a stranger behind the mic, ngikhulilele ndayenzayo. Namhlanje basidibaniswa into ye Pride After Party. Masukubulise kwazo sikwamkela nasenqubeni masithethe ngayo. Singaphosise maseko Cape Town Pride iyaqhubha kulempela viki, right?
Tomorrow.
Yes, the weekend, so it's gonna be a fun weekend kubantu abaninzi. Cape Town After Pride night, queer night. It sounds special, it sounds exciting. What's the vibe? Tell us about the event also. Indoni le event makes it special. It's cool for the community.
You know, when I later Cape Town Pride Mascalenga, first of all, Cape Town Pride, it's more like a Christmas for queer persons. More special around Cape Town is we're experiencing a brutal murdering of young people who are under the Rainbow Nation.
Yes.
You'll remember late last year there was one child that was brutally murdered here in Khayelitsha. So when Kukona Cape Town Pride, it's a Christmas for you to come out. It's a Christmas for you to celebrate who you are. Remember the journey that we went through or we go through as queer persons are not easy. Some of us are balanced, some of us are making it like me as I made it to be this person that I am today, as I'm speaking for LGBTIQ plus community. Today I speak, I fight, I advocate for queer persons because of Amaja Akipsoranini Bandaba Straight to us gay people. Yes. So tomorrow Njalo Queer Night. That is going to be at Artisan on Bree next to Elive. It's an after party queer night. If you're queer friends of queers, everyone is welcome to come. Banyabantu ke olasukubalisukolo mnandronalita loba umdati come out.
Yes. Kubantu who are not familiar with the Pride scene yase Cape Town, what's one thing mhlawumbe yona balinda bathi mama expect okanye maba look forward to kwi after party?
After party, like it's all about having fun, celebrate who you are.
Yes.
Because some people due to izinto ezenzekayo elokishini, so they prefer to be in town where safe khona. So it's a space you can come wearing pink, yellow, red. You can come whether you are whatever, but you are welcome to come to the queer night and celebrate it with us.
Beyond the music, not dancing, but what do you think is the most important aspect this gatherings for the LGBTQI plus community and allies?
For me, I socialize because as that is busy with youth activities and LGBTI programs, because the pioneer you get to meet later, in a conversation, later, we are aligned with then you are able somehow to collaborate, or later is able to link you with someone. So each and every time now when I go out, I introduce myself, then it's a way of making friendships.
After Party Queer Night is about this celebration. But to you, what does the pride mean to you, Luciano, the diva, personal?
When I later I say, yo, une pride man. Yeah. Kuze bisenzwa yintoni funeka uqala uzibuze lo mbuzo ba xa kusithiwa une pride ubani ila pride nami ndinayo yabona ke make yami pride ngathi inoqhatha, because for the things that I have done to the communities and changing people's lives, and it's not even sometimes about convincing people, but ukuthetha nomzali who is not accepting umntana yakhe for being gay or lesbian, and umzali end up understand esithi no ndiyayiva lento but unida ixesha lento bana I adjust kuye, you understand, because you understand ukuthi abazali xa izala umntana ikwe kuba ne plans, xa izala umntana oyintomazana bane plans, so you can't hate or ubene anger towards umzali, because I think it's one of the reasons I've decided to have Ikasi Pride, because I thought my parents are homophobic until I get to understand, go to know we need to educate these people in order for bana singa experience lento nasemakhaya.